Hi, I'm Dr. Philip Ovadia, a board-certified cardiac surgeon and founder of Ovadia Heart Health, specializing in optimizing metabolic health. I'm going to break it down because most people underestimate the serious impact that workplace stress can have on your heart health. Here's what we're going to talk about today: why managing workplace stress is crucial for heart health, how reducing stress in the workplace can significantly improve your employees' well-being and productivity, and some key actions that you can take to create a healthier, less stressful work environment. So let's jump right in. First, it is important for you to understand why managing workplace stress is crucial for heart health. Tip number 1: chronic stress triggers your body's fight or flight reaction, which over time can lead to high blood pressure and plaque buildup in the arteries. Second, the link between stress and unhealthy behaviors like overeating, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can also increase the risk of heart disease. And finally, even though the body's stress response evolved to protect us from physical threats, it's now activated constantly by everyday work pressures, making it more dangerous in modern life. Now, let's talk about how reducing stress in the workplace can significantly improve your employees' well-being and productivity. It has been demonstrated that implementing stress reduction strategies can decrease employee sick days by up to 20%, saving your business significant costs. Another important fact is that employees who manage stress effectively are more focused and productive, reducing the impact of absenteeism. And finally, by addressing workplace stress, you improve not only heart health, but also mental well-being as well as general health. And this is going to lead to a more positive work environment. So now let's talk about some key actions that you can take to create a healthier, less stressful work environment. First, consider offering a comprehensive mental and physical health benefits to show employees that their well-being is a top priority for your company. Next, encourage employees to take paid time off and vacations to recharge and reduce their chronic stress. And finally, organize things like off-site team activities to relieve daily stress and strengthen team bonds, which contribute to a supportive work environment. If you have questions or need more information on any of the topics that we've discussed, feel free to ask. Also, if you have feedback or insights to share, I'm here to learn from you. And please download our Employee Wellness White Paper to get actionable insights on reducing workplace stress and improving heart health in your organization.